Good evening. This is the start of my new series. It's Sarah here, and this is my journaling session for Sundays. So every Sunday I'm going to try and do a bit of journaling, a bit of creative journaling, and upload them for you to take a look at what I do. I am doing them as speed up videos, but I might dabble with maybe a live eventually. I'm not sure. We'll see how I get on. And for this week I am using my Mind the Scrap January kit, which I subscribe to. I love them. I've been getting them since 2016, something like that, so I can highly recommend them. If you're in the UK, it's a wonderful place to get your scrappy supplies from. And I've taken this picture of my little boy. This is obviously not this summer, the summer before, and we go out quite often on a weekend for a meal, and we find there's a place where we go where they have like a playground outside. It's like a foodie pub, and my little boy loves to go there. He likes to dress up in his shirt, and so that's just documenting that. And I chose this Mind the Scrap kit because it has those lovely vintagey orange colours in there, and I just felt like it went really well with the shirt he's wearing, and there's a brick wall behind him that has the same tones as well. And yeah, I just felt like it was a nice one to kick off this new series with. So I've just ripped apart some of the papers that I think go quite well. I'm fussy cutting other elements, like this one's got a really nice pattern to it, so I'm just trimming around it. I've already used this on a scrapbook page, so it was already fussy cut out for me, and I just trimmed the rest. And then I've also fussy cut out partially my photograph, because I really like the way it sort of just sticks out over the edge of the page, and I do like to do that a lot now, just fussy cut out my pictures a little bit just to add a bit more interest. And now I'm using some of these are the Vicky Bouton powders. They came in a mixed media kit quite a while ago, and I'd not used them, so I wanted to make a conscious effort to get them out and keep them out so that I can get some use out of them. They're great because you can mix them with texture paste, you can water them down and they basically become watercolour. And I just added a hint of that dark colour there. It's just a greyish green colour, just to mute down that bright yellow, so it was a bit more of a mustardy shade. So if you want to kind of mute down colours, you can always use a clashing colour, or what should make mud, but if you use the tiniest amount, it gives you a more mid-tone colour rather than primary, which works really nicely. And as you can see, all I did was just add a bit of a messy ombre effect, splash a few bits of the colour on there as well. This is just normal paper, so it will crinkle, but I don't mind it crinkling. I like the effect of that anyway. It makes the journaling pages look really thick once you get further into the book. So I've not prepped it, I've not done anything with it, and I'm just using the equivalent to a Pritt stick. It's a Scotch glue stick, and that's all I'm using to glue things down. And I'm just writing my journaling on this card here, which I thought worked really well with the colours as well, and that will just tuck in nicely behind. And then I'm just going to add a few other little elements because I can't help but layer things up a little bit, but I am trying to keep things fairly flat, which is quite difficult for me. And I've just chosen a few pieces of ephemera. I also decide that I want to add extra colour to that background. I don't like the stark white. I don't mind a little white, but I felt like it needed a little more colour. So I'm just adding that behind, especially because the leaves and things I've chosen are black and white anyway, so I didn't feel like I needed that much white space left behind. And I'm just gluing them down again, just using some a glue stick, and then I'm just adding a couple more of these gold thicker elements also from the kit, just adding those in here and there. I do switch that one around a few times. I can't seem to decide which one to use, but I cut that out. You don't have to watch me do that, it's painful. And now I'm just finishing off with some of my favourite paint, which is the Little Rainbow Moon handmade watercolours, and this one is pale gold. It's the most gorgeous colour ever, and I'm starting to run low on it, so I hope she makes some more of them because I'll be buying like 12. Not really, that would break the bank, but I'd definitely buy a couple. So I'm just splashing a few last little drops of gold on there just to finish it off, and that is my page done. It's just a single one to start off with because it's the beginning of a new book and a new series. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think, because I will of course do more of these if these are something that you would enjoy watching every Sunday. So again, thank you for joining me. If you've just found me, please do like and subscribe if you would like to see more from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great evening. Bye.